Okay, have you ever received spammy comments on Instagram? You know the ones that are trying to get people to click over to their account, or the ones that just seem really fishy and totally unrelated to your content. Well, in today's video, I want to show you how you can remove spammy comments for good so that you don't have to delete them yourself. You can actually pre-filter them so they never even show up in the first place. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do today. Let's get started. Hey, I'm Kayla from Ivory Mix, and I'm here to help you grow your audience and impact and income online with better content and even better strategies. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to get my latest uploads every week. So if you're like me, you've probably received spammy comments on your content. One way to prevent spammy content or comments on your content is by using hashtags that attract fewer and fewer spammy accounts. However, sometimes it's just unavoidable. So in order to prevent that from happening to you, or in order to save time so that you're not constantly having to monitor for comments constantly, you can come over to the hamburger menu or the little menu at the top right corner and click on settings, then go to privacy, and you'll be able to customize some things under hidden words. So you see where it says hidden words, you can click on that and you can scroll down, and at the bottom is this area where it says manage custom word list. So you can hide comments from specific people who leave comments with specific words in them. So if you get, comments from certain types of content creators about certain types of spammy messages, you can add a list of words here and separate them by comma, and then after you've added them, you can block all comments that come in from those content creators who leave comments with that word. So for me, that might be Bitcoin. So I'll add that word to the list of words or phrases, and I'll go back and I will turn on hide comments, and it's going to hide comments that include this word or any other words that I include in that list, or even similar misspellings will be hidden so that your followers won't see them. So this is a very quick and easy way to hide spammy comments. And so if you get a lot of comments on your content with a lot of the same words, this is going to save you a ton of time. So now that you know more, I have one last tip for you, and that is you can get your hands on free Canva templates and exclusive stock photos, plus more strategies exclusive to the Ivory Mix community, and it's completely free. There's up to 500 resources there for you, and you can get a link to it below this video. If you like this video, let me know by giving me a like and sharing it with your fellow content creators, and let me know what your favorite part was. If you do share it to Instagram stories, be sure to tag me so that I see it, because I may just feature you in my Instagram stories as well.